Hi guys, good morning. In this video, today I am going to explain very important concept of geometry, that is polygon. Especially in this polygon, there are 5 questions. Most of the people who are ready to write the competitive exams or who have written a competitive exam have seen these type of questions like what is sum of external angles of particular polygon like square or hexagon or decagon, pentagon or whatever, like they will give heptagon, right? So for example, if they have given such questions, what is the concept that we need to have in order to tackle that questions? In this video I am going to explain that, right? And please see here, what is a polygon generally? First of all, getting into a polygon is nothing but a closed figure with n sides. A closed figure with n sides. You can see here, it's a square. All sides are equal and all angles are equal. Yes. If it is a regular polygon, all sides and angles are equal, because most of the questions is on regular polygon only, right? So, for a regular polygon, first of all, we try to understand what is a regular polygon. If all sides and all angles are equal, then we can say that is regular polygon, right? For example, a square is taken. It's a 90, 90, 90, 90. It's a 360. All angles are equal, right? And anyways, all sides are also equal. And an equilateral triangle, I can say equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon, right? And I can say hexagon with all sides are equal become a regular polygon. What is a regular polygon? A regular polygon is nothing but all angles and all sides are equal, right? And in that, what are the questions we supposed to get in examinations? Means sum of external angles of that particular regular polygon. Each external angle and each internal angle, and then sum of all internal angles and number of diagonals in a regular polygon. These 5 questions are frequently asked questions for any examination you are writing related to geometry, right? And now, to find out that question, what is the minimum knowledge you need to have? I hope you understand what is a regular polygon. All sides and angles are equal. Take a square or a triangle or a hexagon, whatever, okay, you can take it. Now, and one more thing that you need to know is internal angle plus external angle is always equal to 180, right? You know it, okay, any person who have a basic geometry knowledge know it. For example, this is internal angle and this is external angle, altogether is 180. And this is internal angle and external angle, altogether is 180. And now here also it is 180, right? So, obviously for any figure you can take, okay, not only regular polygon, any polygon, internal and external should always equal to 180. Now, coming to internal angle means all angles are equal, and sum of internal angle and external angle is equal to 180 if you know it, and you know n equal to number of sides. So 4 sides, 3 sides and 6 sides, hexagon we can say. Like that, based on the number of sides and the angle, it is very important you need to know. And that particular point, internal angle plus external angle is equal to 180. Now getting into how to tackle that. Generally we have some formulas, n minus 2 into 180 by, okay, 2, like that. There are some formulas generally some books suggest, but what I am trying to tell it here is, without formulas how can you tackle this kind of questions? Okay, sum of external angles is a very simple thing. For any regular polygon, sum of external angles is equal to 360. Please note it, right? Sum of external angles of any regular polygon is equal to 360. That's fixed. So if you know that point, that is enough. You can skip the formulas, okay, for all these 3, and just remember this 3 points and get the answer for that particular questions. Okay. For example, they ask each external angle of any regular polygon. What is that we need to do means, based on the number of sides. As it is a regular polygon, all angles and sides are equal, especially angles are equal, we can easily say 360 by n number of sides. Each side will share that in an equal way. So that's why 360 by n. So now you got it. So each external angle is nothing but, if you know sum of external angles of any regular polygon is 360, generally 360 by n, where n is the number of sides. Where n is the number of sides of that particular polygon. Each internal angle, this is very important, each internal angle. Again, to count the internal angle, first of all I try to given explain this internal angle plus external angle is equal to how much? 180. If you know this simple fact, obviously external angle is equal to 180 minus internal angle, or internal angle equal to 180 minus external angle. Anyways, it is easy to know any external angle. Now it can be very easy if internal angle is equal to 180 minus external angle. That's how we got this formula, 180 minus external angle. Sum of all internal angles is equal to how much means once you come to know each internal angle, already you come to know each internal angle, then it is nothing but number of sides into each internal angle, because each side will share it okay, that whatever each internal angle is there into number of sides. Take the total angle, internal angle, and now number of diagonals in a regular polygon. Guys, what is a diagonal? Generally opposite ends will be okay taken a distance, okay, that considered as a diagonal. And now tell me, diagonal means definitely it should be starts from four-sided figure. It should start from a four-sided figure, because triangle you don't get any diagonals, na? So four-sided figure means from square and from hexagon, pentagon, all those okay, figures you are going to get. That's why where n is number of sides, it should be more than 3. So it should be more than 3 means 4, 5, 6 and so on. So now what is the formula? Means n into n minus 3 by 2. This is the only formula I am suggesting you. N into n minus 3 by 2. Now very simple way of getting into the question. So for a square, if all these questions are being on a square, okay, you know better what is a square and what is this angle. For the proof sake I am taken, and for these questions you can implement that and get the answers very easily. So square means first number of sides. Number of sides, n equal to how much? 4. You know all the 4 sides are equal, that is a square, right? And n equal to 4. And now please tell me the first question, sum of external angles is always okay, same for all these questions. So I can easily say, irrespective of the figure they have given, sum of external angles of any figure, any regular polygon is equal to 360. That's it. And now I want each internal angle, each external angle is equal to how much means generally share this 360 for 4 parts, 4 sides. Now you can say 4 1 490 90 degrees. That's it. And now getting into each external angle, after completed each external angle, then getting into what external angle after that each internal angle you want. Each internal angle, we already come to know what is internal angle plus external angle is equal to how much? 180. Already external angle is becoming how much? 90. So 90 plus how much equal to 180? It is nothing but 180 minus 90. 90 degrees is nothing but internal angles. So now you got it, internal angle, each internal angle, right? And now, and after you completed each internal angle, then sum of all internal angles is nothing but how many sides? You have 4 sides, so 4 into 90 is nothing but 360 degrees. Yes, 360 degrees is the sum of all internal angles. And now getting into the last one, number of diagonals is equal to what? N into n minus 3 by 2. N into n minus 3 by 2. What is n here? Number of sides 4. So 4 into 4 minus 3 is how much? 1 by 2. So 2. You all people, why I taken square as a first problem means because you all people generally have good access to the square. You know there are 2 diagonals, and we got 2 diagonals. You know each angle is 90 degrees. Everyone knows it. That's why I am taking it for a proof sake, 90 degrees. And sum of all the external angles is anyways 360 for any figure. Okay, you take. And generally for the proof sake I have taken. Now, no need of drawing a figure also. You know what is hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides. So n becomes 6. Now directly entering into the first question. First question is sum of external angles. It is anyways 360 degrees is the first question. Normally the questions, first question is sum of external angles, second, third, fourth and then fifth. I am just making a number of it. And now first question is sum of external angles is equal to 360. Without writing it, I am directly getting into the questions. So each external angle is nothing but, what is external number of sides? 6 sides. So 360 by 6. What is 360 by 6? So 6 1 660 jar. Okay. 6 6 are 36. That's why you can say 60 degrees is nothing but each external angle. And now tell me third question. What is each internal angle? Each internal angle plus external angle is equal to how much? 180. Already you are coming across external angle is 60 means how much? 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degrees is each internal angle. And now getting into the fourth question. Fourth question is sum of all internal angles. Sum of all internal angles. This is hexagon. You can see it. Sum of all internal angles. You can see all internal angles. All that internal angles sum is how much? So it is nothing but how many sides you have? 6 sides in a hexagon generally. So 6 into each internal angle you are getting 120. 6 into 120 is how much? 720 degrees. And now getting into the fifth one. Fifth one is what? Number of diagonals. What is number of diagonals formula again? N into n minus 3 by 2. So n into n minus 3 by 2. What is n here? 6. 6 into 6 minus 3 is 3 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 3 is 3 into 3 is 9. There are 9 diagonals for a hexagon. And now getting into decagon. Decagon means number of sides. N equal to 10. If there is a 10 sides, again getting into the first question is common. And the answer is also common, 360 degrees. Sum of all external angles. This is external angle. You can see external angle which is lying on the outside of the figure. So external angle, 360, sum of all external angles. And the second question, what is the second question? Each external angle, how many sides are there? For a decagon, 10 sides. Then 360 distributed by 10. Then each angle become 36 degrees. That's it. And what is the third one? Third one, each internal angle. Again getting into internal angle plus external angle equal to 180. What about internal angle? Is equal to 180 minus 36. What is 180 minus 36? Is 144. 144 degrees. Yes, 144 degrees is the answer for each internal angle. And now getting into fourth question. Sum of all internal angles. What is sum of all internal angles? Based on again number of sides. How many sides? For a decagon 10. So 10 into each internal angle is 144. So total internal angle is equal to 10 into 144 degrees is equal to 1440 degrees. As you understand. And next, fifth one is obviously number of diagonals. Number of diagonals in a regular polygon. Here it is a decagon. Number of sides is 10. 10 into 10 minus 3 by 2. What is 10 into 10 minus 3 is how much? 7 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 5 is 5, 7 is 35. There is 35 diagonals. So you can't always try to draw a diagram and draw the diagonals and count it now. So you need some stuff. So I hope you understand. Without drawing a diagram for any regular polygon they have given, just you have a knowledge of that regular polygon is equal to how many sides and sum of external angles equal to 360 degrees. And one more thing is internal angle plus external angle equal to 180 degrees. With these three simple points, without getting into any formulas, we can generally try to solve all these questions in a very similar manner. Within seconds you can able to get the answer. Hope this video definitely helpful to you, and try to subscribe for more and more videos, and if you really feel that they are very much important for you, you can like and share it, so that you are going to get more and more videos in your future, right? Thank you.